Hello, I've got two broken gamepads. Each has a broken trigger button, and since they are the opposite sides, I can swap them. This way I will get at least one fully working gamepad out of it. Though I don't have high hopes for future reliability since the trigger buttons are very flimsily made, as you can see here. It's very common that one screw is hidden under a sticker. And you might have immediately noticed the warranty sticker further down. Well, I didn't. And here it is, the final screw holding the gamepad together. This seems like a very bad design. The triggers press on the tiny PCB which holds the button without any backstop to take the force. The board is held in by friction. I have to press on the analog sticks to get it loose. Let's talk some more about bad design. The trigger button is held on only by these flimsy plastic pieces. I'm actually amazed how tiny the hinges are. The trigger buttons are meant to take a lot of force. I mean, they are commonly squeezed hard when playing something exciting. It's no wonder they broke. I really hate products like this. Even if I was able to get the replacement parts, every fix would only hold for a short while before it eventually breaks again. The replacement trigger freed at last. The second gamepad isn't unusable now, but just uncomfortable. The trigger buttons are digital, so they can still be pressed. So don't worry, I won't throw it out. As the replacement trigger goes in, it's very clear to see that this tiny hinge is all that's keeping it attached to the gamepad. And voila, there it is, working again, nothing stuck. And hopefully with careful play, those triggers will hold on for a while.